Coriolis was a Frenchman. He's the one who discovered the Earth rotates. So he said objects attached to the Earth's surface, like hurricanes and giant storms, when they are rotating in the southern hemisphere, they rotate clockwise. But here what is not attached to the Earth's surface, it rotates counter-clockwise in the southern hemisphere. So whenever we are penguins, these animals only stay in the southern hemisphere, especially on South Pole. They live in ice. So let's check if Coriolis was right.
That water rotates inside southern.
So we stabilize and see where it will go. So when it is spinning or rotating, it forms a vortex in the middle. That circle is called the vortex. So when you put the leaf, you see it spin or swirl anti-clockwise. So that's how you know you are in the southern hemisphere. Because if you go to the northern, it will be clockwise. And on the line, the Coriolis effect is 0, it won't rotate. So there's never rotation on the line. And this is not the only experiment that shows you the Earth rotates. In another experiment, they use a pendulum. It's called the focal pendulum. So you release it in the south, it will swing anti-clockwise after a complete rotation of the Earth, which is 24 hours. It's called the sidereal day. So let's go to the northern North Pole. And actual North Pole is called Arctic. Arctic is a Greek word for polar bears. Then Antarctic, no polar bears. They are penguins. So you know the polar bears? You don't know?
Not yet.
So let's stabilize and see what happens. So here, when it is spinning, the vortex comes. So you see here now it spins clockwise to the north. So these are the bears, and these are the penguins. So penguins on the North Pole, bears on the north, penguins on the south. And this force, the Coriolis force, affects also aeroplanes. It affects bullets. It affects rockets.
How does it affect bullets?
When you fire a bullet in the northern hemisphere, it sways to the right. In the south, it sways to the left. So you have to project right to hit your target. So in the north, still the aeroplane keeps right of the point. In the south, it keeps left. An aeroplane never goes straight to the point. Yeah. So let's go to the line finally.
And the aeroplane will know that now we are this side and the other side.
They know. This center line of the Earth. So the Equator line was first discovered 1700 years back by the Frenchmen in Ecuador. Ecuador is a country in South America. That word is Spanish. It means equator. So their country is called Equator. Is where it was discovered. So it covers Colombia, Brazil, in Africa, South America, Principe, Gabon, Congo, Brazzaville, DRC, Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia. In Asia, Maldives, Kiribati, Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. So the distance is 40,077 kilometers. And the first man to move around it on foot is from South Africa. It's called Mike Horn. So let's check what happens on the line here.
On foot, like from where?
Yeah, you traversed the whole line on foot.
Yeah, it's hot. Do you watch?
Yeah,
you can't move where the line passes. It's
hot. The sun is normally overhead the equator line. That's why they say it's hot. So when you stand here on 21st of March, 23rd September, noontime, those are the only days you will not see your shadow at noon. Because the sun will be directly overhead the equator. It's called the equinox. So if at school they ask you what is an equinox, it's the day when the sun is directly overhead the equator. And it's called also a zero shadow day. You can't see your shadow. So still on the line, you weigh lighter now. Your 3 kgs are off you now. They are lost to centrifugal forces. Centrifugal forces are much here. We are far away from the center of gravity than the poles. But when you go away, you gain your 3 kgs. Here you are lighter.
Here you are lighter.
Yes.
What makes you lighter?
Centrifugal forces grab away your weight. Yeah.
I will ask a question.
Let us see what will happen on the line here. So you notice here the spin it is pulled down the drain straight. So there's no counterclockwise or clockwise. So the reason why it doesn't spin is the same reason why countries on the line are never hit by hurricanes. Those hurricanes never cross.
You tell her hurricanes, I don't know.
Hurricanes are those giant
Do you know
winds,
hurricanes, Aviola?
giant
Ask
winds
what you don't know.
that rotate. They come from the big oceans, from the big seas. So they come rotating when they approach.
Like the one which was in, how do they call it? It's Hawaii?
Yeah, Hawaii.
Hawaii, and all houses were
Now we
down.
are swept by the hurricane.
Yes,
So those hurricanes can't happen here in Uganda.
in Uganda.
Because of the equator, they come spinning, they find air is deflected. Right, left here there is a vacuum. Vacuum is space without air. So they can't cross. Thank you.
Welcome.
Like my channel and don't forget to go to Daniela and watch all my videos. Hope you like them. Subscribe and like my channel.
Purchase your tracks today.
Bye.
AB on the track, yeah.